Here we come to the massive freight elevators at the Henry Ford Rouge in Dearborn, Michigan. This is where my grandma works at. We've got some TK Dovers to ride, and they are huge. These are humongous. Here's your phone. Did you hear that motor? That motor is insane. There goes that door. This one is gonna close. These are Dover traditional buttons, but cute. Listen to the motor. Let's go get the other card, but first off, let's take a cab view. Took a picture of it for my fan base. So yeah, now let's ride this car. But yeah, these are awesome. These have awesome motors. These have the best motors. This is the sprinkler system. Controls it in the elevator shaft. Let me guess, we're gonna have a much more epic Dover buzz for this elevator. Here's your phone. Here's your cab view. Now let's listen to this motor.
So there's a lot of stuff coming and going in and out of here, and it wasn't
Back down to one.
a lot of interesting stuff.
That layout is weird on other cars. So used to that other layout. So let's just do this layout. We're stopping at M because my grandma needs me.